Hello, what we have up for auction today is this 1975 BMW R75/6. These are beautiful motorcycles, well engineered. This is a really nice example of a nice rider. It's only got 19,000 miles on it, 19,562 miles. Just purrs like a kitten. I would say that it was restored cosmetically a little bit. Being the tanks must have been repainted. I can see a couple imperfections when I'm up close to it, but other than that, it's really nice. The decal or the stripes are not painted; they are decal, pinstripe on them. New decals on the side. It looks like the seat cover's been replaced, and somebody has did a nice job on putting the BMW logo on there. And as I mentioned, all the nice paint work that was done on it and pinstriped. It looks great. Looks like new mufflers on the bike. Very nice exhaust. They're perfect. Got the aluminum rims on them, and again, shaft drive. Of course, it's a BMW. All the lights and everything work on the bike well. The rear tire looks getting pretty low, but it is still good. It's not dry rot or anything. Making our way up to the front, back up here. This bike, again, just a beautiful piece of engineering on these BMWs. The rubber foot pegs and all look like brand new. The Bing carburetors are original. It's got the crossover exhaust. It's got the flares, or whatever you want to call the, to help deflect the heat on the head mufflers. Working our way up here, it's got the original headlight, BMW headlight. Beautiful fork boots are in excellent condition. The reflector's nice. The front fender nice and straight. Very nice job done on the pinstriping. The fork legs look beautiful. Front tire is a Pirelli in good condition, real nice, and sort of period correct with the style of tread that's on it. And of course, it's just a single disc in the front and drum in the back, and it stops fine. Not the best in the world, but it is what it was for the era. And you can see how, again, original this bike looks. It's got a little damper on the steering here. That must be original to the bike. The paint work looks really nice on the frame. It just really looks in good condition. This bike's nice. Not much more to say about it. Look how nice the controls are. It's got a set of shorty handlebars on it, sort of close, but it's a matter of preference what a person likes. You could change them if you'd like. But the original controls are in perfect, excellent condition, everything working. Nice little mirrors. The tank that BMW, they use that red primer inside them. And it looks decent. I mean, it doesn't look perfect, but it doesn't look bad either. But there you go. And I'm taking for a ride, start it up and show you guys how nice it runs. It just starts and idles perfect. And we'll take it for a ride up the road, show you how it shifts through the gears nicely. And clutch works good, nice and smooth. All right, we'll take it for a ride. All right, it does have the original center stand, as well as the drive-off BMW side stand that some people don't like and some people love. Me, I think it's sort of weird the way you gotta reach all the way out there and put it out, but it is a drive-off stand. Key on has the original BMW key. Key on, starter button. Forward. High-low beam. Signals. One side. There's the one side. Here's the left side. Look how nice that bike idles. There she is. Good luck bidding. We have a very low reserve on it, and the bike has no apologies. It's a very nice bike, runs well. Good luck bidding. Thank you.